In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate 2 ways to do chain stitch, starting with regular chain stitch. Start by bringing your needle up through your fabric, then putting your needle through the hole you just made, leaving a loop. When you bring your needle up, you'll be bringing it up inside of that loop and then pulling to secure it. To start your next chain, bring your needle back down through the hole you just made inside of the loop and repeat the steps you just took for that first chain stitch. I'll speed up here to get us to the end. Once you're finished with a line, secure your chain stitch to your fabric by stitching over your last loop. Now I'll demonstrate reverse chain stitch. Start by making a single straight stitch. Bring your needle up through your fabric and weave it underneath your original stitch without piercing the fabric. Pull your floss until it's tight and then bring your needle back down through the hole you just made. Come back up through your fabric and weave your needle underneath your last stitch, again without piercing the fabric. Bring your needle back down through the last hole you made and then repeat these same steps until you're done with your line. Chain stitch and reverse chain stitch provide the same results. Which one you pick to do is really a matter of preference. Once you're done with a line of reverse chain stitch, your last stitch will secure itself to the fabric.